you would go to the market. No, you cannot say you would go to the market. Either you will say would you go to the market, which means future. Are you willing to go to the market? Or you will
Yeah,
say
yeah,
you
will you?
will go to the market. You cannot say
Yes.
you would go to the market. Hello.
Yes, hello, ma'am. Hi.
Good morning. Hi Shahid. Good to see
Good
you on a
morning.
Saturday morning.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Same
Don't
here, ma'am.
mind the dark background. There is no power at my place, so it's like a dark dungeon now.
No problem, ma'am. It's okay.
No problem. All right.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, how did your day begin?
My day has begun. Has begun.
Begun? Yeah.
Yeah, has begun with my
Mhm.
tea. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. What about you,
Awesome.
ma'am? How did you start your day?
I started my day. I looked out of the window and it was raining. We had torrential rains last night, and there's been no power since that time. Okay. We had
Okay.
power for like an hour, and I quickly put all my devices to charge, and thankfully it's all
Okay.
working now. As I was
That's
on,
good.
I was, yeah, I was on the edge of thinking, okay, I might have to cancel all the sessions because at
Oh,
8 a.m. also there was no power, right? So, okay, I thought,
okay.
okay, let's drop a mail to the team. But then thankfully, for 1 hour we got power.
Okay. That's great.
Okay,
Okay.
yes. So, do you
So,
like the monsoons?
yeah, I like monsoon, ma'am. Yes, I
Okay,
like raining
awesome.
season. Yes,
hmm
and
Uh, what do you love to do in a rainy season?
I love to wait. Wait. Yeah,
You love to get
I love.
drenched.
Yeah, I love to get a drag out. Wait. Yeah,
Drenched. D-R-E-N.
drain.
Yes,
Okay.
Drenched. I love to get drenched in the rain.
Yes, I love to drag in the range.
No, 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 no.
Drench.
Get drenched.
Okay, get. I had missed get. Okay, I love
Get
to get drenched
drenched.
in the
In
rain. Okay.
very good. Excellent. See, you got it. So awesome. So in full filmy style, huh? Like how they show in the movies.
Yeah, but I like. Yes. What about you, ma'am?
No,
Do
I
you
don't
want to
like to
listen
get.
only? Means only?
Yes, I like to sit and watch. I don't like to get drenched.
Okay.
I
Okay.
like to sit and watch, and I like to get lost in my own train of thoughts. And I feel very peaceful when it's raining.
Yes, yes. After raining, it become peaceful. Yeah.
Yes, it becomes very peaceful. You know, even the earth smells very pleasant.
Yes,
The
true, ma'am.
yeah, yeah. There is a
Yes.
word for it. Okay, it's called as petrichor. The aroma that you get from the soil once it rains, it's called as petrichor. So I really
Okay.
like that. Hmm.
Okay. Nice. Yes, ma'am.
Awesome.
Okay.
So you were about to ask me something, and I guess I was interrupting you. Please go ahead.
No, today I just wanted to means discuss with you, ma'am, like
Mhm.
difference between would and will.
Would and will. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So let's first discuss will. Okay. Will
Okay.
is used in the future tenses for activities that you're planning to do. And it is definite that it's a definite activity that you're planning to do. Okay. It's not like a possibility. I might do it, I might not do it. No.
No.
You will do it. Okay. So
Okay.
that is the
Okay.
instance when you will use will. Future tense, definite activity that you're going to do. For example, I will visit Jamshedpur next month. That means I have
Okay.
planned, okay, and I am
Okay.
going there. It's not like I
Okay.
might visit Jamshedpur. No, I will visit. You see the strength in that sentence? Yeah,
Yes. Yes.
okay. And next is would. Okay, would
Hmm.
you will use in two instances. First, a possibility of doing something in the future, like it's like a dream of yours. For example, I would love to visit Paris. Okay,
Okay.
I would love to visit Paris. That means it's like a dream. If you get a chance, you'll go there sometime, probably in the future.
Hmm.
Okay. And another word, you can use it sometimes in the past. Like I would play a lot of cricket when I was 10 years old. Means I
Hmm.
used to play a lot of cricket when I was 10 years old in the past. You got it? So would has
Okay.
two connotations. One is a dream or a possibility for doing something in the future, and sometimes
Hmm.
for the activities that you have done. Or you can even say that I would have loved to come to your wedding, but I had my graduation ceremony that day. I would have loved to come to your wedding means past, no, I couldn't come to your
Okay.
wedding. Yeah.
Yes.
So but because I had a graduation ceremony, so like that.
Hmm.
So this is the difference
Okay.
between will and would. Got it?
Okay, got it, man. Just like you
Awesome.
have said, first thing,
Yes.
means I would like to go Jamshedpur. I would like to
Yeah.
go Japan, anywhere. Okay, so
Yes.
here you have mentioned means dream or desire,
Yes.
like
Very correct. Yes. Correct.
okay.
Correct.
And second
Hmm.
thing, can you repeat, ma'am? Means used to. You have said something. Yes. Can you say
Yes.
again about used to? Means
Yes,
how to
I
use
can say
would
that.
be?
Yes. I would go to the mall every week when I was in Mumbai. Means I used to go to the mall every week when I was in Mumbai. So it is representing some activity that I used to do in the past. Correct? I would
Okay.
go there. Okay, like I used to go there. All right. And another is like when you want to, I would have loved to come to your housewarming ceremony, but I was caught up with some other commitments. Like you wanted
Okay.
to go somewhere, but you couldn't go. Like I would have loved to. So
Okay.
that is also another way of using it. I hope that is clear. You want me to repeat any
Yes.
part?
Yes, yes. I just want to know, means just you have said I used to go market. Suppose that when I was
Yes,
child. Okay.
yes,
So
yes.
so so how can I change that sentence about would? Means I would go to the market. Can I say like that?
Yeah, you have to complete it. When, where, you have to
Okay.
use that also. Okay.
Oh, okay. I would go to the market when I was
Mhm.
child.
Yes, exactly. It's a
It is
participle form. We cannot say that it has a past tense or anything. It's like a participle form. I would go to the market when I was a child, and she would have bought that diamond ring if she had enough
Mhm.
money, but she couldn't because she didn't have enough money. Something that you
Okay.
could have done in the past, or something that you used to do in the past. So even in that instance, also you can use would. For example,
Okay.
Shahid would have attended the class at 8 a.m., but unfortunately he was busy in his driving class. Okay,
Mhm.
he would
Okay.
have attended if he had the if he could, he would. So
Yes.
that's how it is. Okay, I hope I
Okay.
didn't confuse you.
No, 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 no. It is clear,
No, right?
man. Yes.
All
Yes.
right,
Yes.
good. Okay.
Okay.
Hmm?
And means second part you have said means
Yeah.
used to
Hmm?
about. Yeah. So
Yes.
after would we have
Hmm?
used their first form, right?
I would have loved to.
No, no,
I
not
would.
would
Hmm?
have, ma'am. No,
Huh?
not would have. I'm
Hmm?
saying to you just like I used to play cricket when I was child. So
Yes. Play
I would
cricket.
yeah, I
Yeah.
would play cricket. I can say I would play cricket when I was child, or
Yes.
it is right.
Uh-huh. I would played cricket when I no. It is the first form only. I would play cricket when I was a child.
So yeah, so we use here a first
Hmm?
form of verb
Yes, yes, yes.
uh,
I'm sorry
in
about that.
past activity.
Yeah, every time someone says first, second, third form, right, I get a little confused. So I need little time to think about it. Yeah.
No
So yes,
problem. Yeah.
yeah, it's
Okay.
like the first form. Like I would love to drink coffee, and I would go to the market. Yes, it's the first form. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay. And okay, here I just
Mhm.
like if I will say you, ma'am.
Mhm.
Yesterday my friend says to
Mhm.
me. Okay.
Yeah. Yesterday,
Yesterday
my
my
friend
friend.
said to me.
Yes. Sorry. Yesterday my friend said to me,
Mm-hmm.
I will go to the market.
Mm-hmm.
So
Hmm.
so you will join with me. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
This is my friend dialect. Okay.
All right.
Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
now I will
Mm-hmm.
tell you. Okay.
Yes.
So ma'am, my friend said to me
Yeah.
he would go to the market.
Uh-huh.
He would he would go to the market with me.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So here I
Huh?
use would or will because I have heard it means
Mm-hmm.
past if past future sentences if you
Mm-hmm.
say in present time so you use
Yeah.
would. So just I want to
Mm-hmm.
means clear with you. Yes.
All right. So you can say it in two ways, right? Your friend is asking you that whether you will come with me to the market tomorrow, right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So when you're asking someone, even you can say will or you can say would. Would is more polite. That's the only difference. So I can tell you, will you come to meet me tomorrow? All right.
Hmm.
So it's a little more authority in that sentence. But if I ask you, would you be able to come to meet me tomorrow? That is more polite. So when you're making
Okay.
a request, you can say will also, you can say would also. But will has more authority in the voice. Would is more polite. So that is the only difference.
Yeah. Okay.
Like
In
same
polite way.
between can and could, same as can and could. If I say
Okay.
Shahid, can you finish that report tomorrow, like if your boss tells you, can you finish that report tomorrow, so that
Mhm.
is more authoritative. But now if someone is requesting you, they ask you, could you complete that report tomorrow, that is more polite. Same for will and would, if you are requesting and all that, no? Same, you
Okay.
can use both are correct, nothing wrong. One is authoritative, one is more polite, that's it.
Okay. So
All right.
here means would we use also polite way. Okay.
Mhm.
And
Yeah.
and in desire, if something you have desire, so in that time also we
Yes.
use in past activity,
Yes.
in past activity or past habit, I think. So in
Yes,
that time we use.
activity, habit. Yes, exactly. So if I
Okay.
ask you, would you like to go to Dubai next month? So
Mhm.
you'll say that. What will you say?
Uh, yeah.
Would you
Would
like
you
to go
like?
to Dubai
Would you
next
like?
month?
So I say here, yeah, I would like to go there.
Very good. See, you want, it's like a desire. Yeah, I would love to go there. Why not?
Yes,
So it's like a
definitely.
possibility. Yeah. If given a
Yes,
choice,
boss.
why not? Yeah. If we say that I
Yes,
will go to Dubai next month, it means it's done. It's decided. Yeah.
it
So
decided. Okay.
yeah, exactly. So got the difference?
Okay, ma'am. So if I say
Yeah.
I would go to the market, I will
Mhm.
go to the market. So here,
Mhm. Mhm.
what is the difference, ma'am?
It depends on what you're going to say next. Like, I would go to the market tomorrow. It means there's a possibility of you going there tomorrow. Or you can say, I would go to the market every week until next, the last month. Means it's a past. So it depends on
Okay.
what you're going to say after market, whether you're going to say tomorrow or whether you're going to give some past month name, past week name. So it
Okay.
depends like that. All right.
Hmm. So suppose my if next
Mm,
sentence some
mm,
people doesn't says.
yeah.
So in that time, what we think? So suppose if someone
Mm,
says only,
yeah.
uh, I will go to the, I will go to the market and
That
I
is
would
future.
go to the market.
Okay.
So
If
what
they
makes
say,
sense? Mhm.
Okay. So if they say I will go to the market, it is clear, right? It's a future tense. Obviously, it's about the future. Now, if
Okay.
someone says I would go to the market, you'll ask them when. When would you go to the
Okay.
market? Would you go
Miss,
tomorrow or did you used to go previously?
yeah, it seems it's
Hmm.
present form, right, man? It
E-
seemed like
e-
a means
huh?
situation is now means recently he will do means he would do.
He would do it, not present, either near future or the past. Sorry.
Yeah. Yes,
Not in
ma'am.
the
Okay.
present. Definitely, will and would, it cannot be used in the present form at all. Either future, like a
Yeah.
possibility, or in the past. That's it.
But the circumstance, ma'am, it's the present, na, ma'am. If I say I would go to the
Mhm.
market, so
Yeah.
the circumstances is it seem like a present means like here's a, I haven't mentioned I will go to
Mhm.
the market tomorrow, right?
Yeah. If you say I would go to the market, that will be counted as like an incomplete sentence. Okay. You said it
Incomplete
is
sentence.
present. If
Mhm.
I would go to the market is present, tell me what is I am in the market. I am in the market is present. No.
Yeah, yeah. If you talk
Huh.
about in grammar way, so yeah, I'm in
Yes.
the market. It's right, but
Yes.
man, the situation I mean to say
Yeah.
here,
Hmm.
you would go to the
See.
market, so
Hmm.
it sense come like
Hmm.
you are going today means it
Okay.
sense come. Yeah, I
Okay,
think.
you mentioned that you would go to the market. No, you cannot say you would go to the market. Either you will say, would you go to the market, which means future. Are you willing to go to the market? Or you
Yeah,
will say,
yeah.
you
Would you?
will go to the market. You cannot say
Yes.
you would go to the market. No, you
Yeah.
cannot
Would you
use
go
it
to the
with,
market?
yes,
Yeah.
would you go to the market?
Would you
Now,
go to
what
the
does it
market?
mean? Are you planning to go there? Will you go there?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
So you
Okay.
got it? Just the wordplay. Instead of you would, it should be would you. Or it
Mm.
will be you will. Like if your
You will.
parents or your elders in the family, they tell you, Shahid, you will go to the market tomorrow and get the vegetables. So it's like a
Yes.
command. Yeah. So
Yes.
that is the
Absolutely.
difference. I hope it's a little more clear now. Good that you asked
Yes,
this
ma'am.
question.
Yes, absolutely,
Yes.
ma'am. You have explained really very well. Yes,
Thank
it
you
will
so
clear,
much.
ma'am. And
Yeah.
just like you have mentioned, will if, when you people use will, so it
Yes.
seem like a future, not
It
means
is future. It seems
it
like
is
future, not
future.
it is future. Yes.
It is future. Okay,
Yes.
okay, ma'am.
All
Got
right.
it.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Good.
really, you have explained very good in grammar, ma'am. Really.
Thank you so much, Shah. It means a lot, especially when we come across learners who are genuinely interested in all this. No, it kind of boosts me too, like to give the
Yes.
proper explanation. It's good. It
Yes.
feels
Yes.
good actually, and it also helps me to brush up my concepts because
Absolutely.
it's been quite a while since I opened a grammar book and revised because
Mhm.
I normally coach for like general English, like speaking, reading, and all that. All these nuances of grammar I have kind of lost hold of it. When you ask questions like this, the concepts kind of brush up in my mind. So it's a good thing
Mhm.
for me also.
Okay. Nice. Okay.
All right.
So ma'am,
Mhm,
what do you think, ma'am? Just like, can you tell me, means,
mhm,
just like if suppose, uh,
mhm.
what type of grammar we will learn? Just there in grammar, there's a many kind of grammar. Means there's a
Yeah,
many branches
advanced.
of grammar. Branches
Okay.
just like passive
Mhm,
voice, tenses,
mhm.
a
Yes.
model's verb, and
Yes.
preposition, conjunction.
Mhm. Yes.
So we have to learn all things, right?
Mhm,
But but
mhm,
I want to know, ma'am, with I want
mhm,
to know you, ma'am, like,
mhm,
uh means if passive voice also means we have to
mhm,
learn to, means it is a necessary
mhm.
to learn passive voice to speak English language. Yeah.
Not clearly. If you just want to be able to communicate your idea to someone, right, there are three things, okay, two things that you have to know in grammar because it's non-negotiable. First one are your tenses, because if your tenses are incorrect, the meaning of your sentences will change, right? So be clear with the three tenses and the four forms of each tense. Like broadly, it is past, present, and future, right? And there is again subdivision in each, like simple, continuous, perfect simple, perfect continuous, correct? So just
Okay.
be good with the tenses first. Focus like for 2 weeks, just learn about tenses. All right.
Okay.
Instead of learning the rules, like okay, like plus minus subject plus verb plus object, all that, it'll mess your mind. Instead,
Okay.
pick up sentences for that particular tense. Okay.
Hmm.
What is simple past? See a sentence. Now you have an idea of what the sentence is. Make your own sentence with that. Okay, make
Okay.
like 5 6 sentences so that it stays in your mind. Second, be good with the subject verb agreements. Like if the subject is singular, the verb will be plural. If the subject is
Yes.
plural, the verb will be singular. This is second.
Okay.
And finally, the parts of speech you mentioned, right? There are many parts of speech. So in that,
Yes.
I want you to focus on prepositions and conjunctions. All right.
Yes. Yes.
So there are many like nouns. In nouns only there are so many types of nouns, like common noun,
Yes.
proper noun.
True. True.
All that is
True.
secondary. You can learn that later. For your basic English communication, focus on prepositions and conjunctions. All right.
Yes. Yes.
So that will
Yes.
make your language more effective, and your language
Yes.
and your sentences will make more sense. Okay.
Absolutely.
Tenses, subject verb agreement, and prepositions and conjunctions. These three things for a beginner, most important.
Yeah.
That's all.
Yeah. These days, ma'am, I have been
Mhm.
focusing about
Yeah.
conjunction and preposition. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Okay.
Yes.
Good.
And
That's what I suggest.
what about other activity we do, ma'am? After
Mhm.
suppose tenses will clear,
Yeah.
so then
Mhm.
after what activity we collect means.
If you go on Google or anywhere, right, you have these grammar worksheets, okay, worksheets with exercise sheets, all right. So
Yeah. Yeah.
there are blanks in between.